What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your birthday on your TikTok app. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your TikTok app. After that you have to go to your profile. Then all you have to do, you have to click on this three dot bar icon. Then you have to click on settings and privacy. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, you have to scroll a little bit and find the option called report a problem. You have to click on it. Then you have to scroll a little bit and click on account and profile. Then you have to click on editing profile. After that you have to choose the option called others. Then you have to scroll a little bit and tap on no. After that you have to click on need more help. Then a direct conversation with TikTok help desk will pop up. All you have to do, you have to click on send message and you have to type I want to change my birthday. After that they will send you a form. You can see your request using this form. You have to click on this form option here. Then you have to fill up the form and they will guide you through that how you can change your birthday on TikTok. So I hope you guys find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.